Hello everyone, my name is Lakshya. This is my project expense tracker using Git, Docker, and Kubernetes, which is a part of Unix programming assignment. In this project, we built a web-based expense tracker using multi-layer architecture. The web-based expense tracker allows the users to add, view, and delete their expenses in real time. Multi-layer architecture is nothing but using front-end, back-end, and database. The main objective of this project is to demonstrate the book version control, to use Docker for containerization, and to deploy the application using Kubernetes. This is how the file structure of the project looks like. And the project is divided into three phases. The first phase is development and Git. In this phase, we will develop the project in multiple steps and commit the changes in each step. And this is how the project structure is created. And we created the background and uses server.js and Express. And we created front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And we connected the application with MongoDB. And after each change, we'll use git commit to commit those changes. And now I'll show all the commits using the command git log one line. This command will show all the commits that I have made during the process of development. This is about phase one. Now we'll enter the phase two, where we'll use Docker to do containerization. First, we'll build Docker image. The command used is docker build -t expense tracker app and the path. And now the Docker image is getting built. Now we'll run the application using Docker Compose. The command is Docker Compose app. Now the application is ran using Docker Compose. Now we can view the application in the local browser. Like this is how the application looks like. Um, Now this is about the phase two. The application is successfully containerized using the Docker. Now we'll enter the phase three where we'll be using Kubernetes. So now we'll start minikube cluster. The command is minikube star. We have already installed the minikube in our systems. So we can type the command minikube start so that the minikube cluster will get started. It will take some time to load all the contents. Now we'll create the backend image. to image the minus the backend image is built. Now we create the front end image. We'll go to the front end path and then we'll run the same command for the front end. The front end image is also built. Now we'll deploy MongoDB backend and front end. First, we need to go to the root folder and then we need to use this command. Now, the backend, frontend, and Mongo are deployed. Now we'll get the here. All the ports are running. So we verified that all the ports are running. Now we got the web application and added two items. Now we can delete two items.